Bob Carr here for TLC. In this episode in the studio is Miss Caitlin, who works in our office. Miss Caitlin, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing excellent. What's going on in your world in our office?
Lots. We're super busy right now. Startups, repairs, installs, which is a good thing.
You doing a lot of training too?
We are. We're training 3 new people since Katie's out on maternity leave, so we're getting that squared away. And
is Katie coming back?
She is. She's going to start this week, 2 days a week training as well, and then
not getting trained. She's going to be the trainer.
Yeah, she's going to help training. With training.
I got you.
And then she's going to work a little bit from home. So we're excited to have her back.
That's great. That's great. So what's one of the challenges you've seen this year over last year? What are you seeing this spring?
I don't know. I mean, I think everything's going smoothly. I do think we had a lot of new people, so we're booking out a little further, but the customers seem to be okay with it. And
you seem like we've taken on a lot of new customers.
We do have a lot of new customers, so that's always a good thing. And
absolutely.
Of course, our old customers. So.
And we got some new folks here as our team members that are out doing service work.
Yes.
Got new techs. They're getting trained. So that's always exciting, new challenges.
Yes.
Caitlin, tell us about one of your bigger startups repairs so far this spring.
So we have a client that we work with, and it's the Naval Stadium. They're about to do a 2-day repair job with us, a lot of underground leaks, replacing heads. Their landscaper was working and damaged some of our systems, so we're going to be replacing that. We do a lot of repairs for them throughout the year. They have a really big system down there, so that'll be fun and exciting.
So they had the landscaper came in this year, from what I've told from the guys and from what you mentioned to me, and they had done some damage to the system.
Yes, so they switched landscapers, and I guess they're not used to where our system is, so they damaged it. They called us right away and told us what they did so that they could take care of it. Right. And then there was some other damages other than that. So
other repairs,
yes.
Things that had gotten broken, things that wore out.
Yep.
Okay. So working for the Naval Academy, and in this case the Navy Stadium underneath of them, is always challenging. It's a great client, good paying client, high demand, but it's a lot of satisfaction too.
Yes.
Down there. Caitlin, I appreciate you coming in, stopping in the studio today and saying hello.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you guys next week on another episode.